welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. New Governor of Meghalaya sworn in. BSF seizes 19 Bangladeshi boats in border operation. Tourist taxi drivers condemn HNYF actions, seek government intervention. And KSU accuses BSF of negligence in border security. And now the news in detail. Chandrasekhar H. Vijayashankar was sworn in as the new governor of Meghalaya at Shillong Raj Bhavan by Chief Justice S. Vaidyanathan. The brief ceremony was attended by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, Speaker Thomas Sangma and other senior officials. Before the ceremony, Vijayashankar expressed admiration for Meghalaya's natural beauty, comparing it to Karnataka's Mysuru region. He praised notable figures such as Soso Tham and honored historical leaders like Tirat Singh, Kyang Nangba and Patogan Sangma. The new governor urged the people of Meghalaya to unite with selflessness for the state's future progress.
C.H. Vijayashankar,
Do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will faithfully discharge the function of the Governor of Meghalaya
that I will faithfully discharge the function of the Governor of Meghalaya
and will do to the best of my ability preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and the law
and will do the best of my ability, preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and the law.
and that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of Meghalaya.
And that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of Meghalaya.
On July 29, 2024, the 193 Battalion of the BSF in Meghalaya successfully intercepted 19 Bangladeshi wooden boats in the Jadukata River near Gumagat. The boats were seized while Bangladeshi smugglers attempted to cross into Indian territory to collect stone boulders and sand. This proactive action by the BSF highlights the force's mission mode approach to border security. The BSF has lodged a formal protest with the Border Guard Bangladesh (BGB) regarding these illegal activities. The seized boats are currently in custody and will be handed over to the Customs Office in Dangar. In a bid to enhance border security and address smuggling issues, a battalion commandant level meeting was held on the same day between the BSF and BGB. The discussions focused on improving border domination and coordinating patrols in vulnerable areas, aiming to bolster peace among the Indo-Bangladesh border. On July 30th, 2024, an emergency meeting of tourist taxi drivers from Meghalaya and Assam convened in Nongpo, condemning the Nyotrap National Youth Front (HNYF) for disrupting taxi services on July 26th. The HNYF has suspended and sent back taxis heading to Sora, Penursla and Dauki. The drivers expressed appreciation for the Meghalaya government's response and vowed to cooperate for mutual benefit. They raised concerns over private cars competing with licensed taxis, impacting their earnings despite paying government taxes. The drivers called on the Meghalaya and Assam governments to investigate unauthorized vehicles from tourist transport and urged for enhanced security to attract more tourists and boost local income.
Ini habang isang lang kini meeting nangi kalyang jong Meghalaya warga Assam. Kaya kadai tengah takawe hi kabangila aya rai lang namar ba kajing sutu bakla jong ki nonglet nongwan ki bawan naga barjela kamtam ki bana coba ka state jongi kain bak na kiwi ru ka state ki ba don gitu kajing yakhang nagalyang jong ki seng balang rei katu baro bangi kamton jing dei airu em ha kalyang kajing bat kali te nakalyang jongi ru long hina pensai hiru ba nakalyang jongi kumuka action ngimdon re kanu kajing ya persya ya kanu ka tourist taksi bawan sya kajala jongi baki nakalyang jongi bang isong mendaringin ya simkhia tangha bade ba kani kalyang jong kini kali private ki balabun palat ki bawan kamai seni kajala jongi daki namba plate le katu kalau long keniat kala kini ya piang ja jongi kinong kamai ki ba kamai hok lagi terus taksi te sakawiru long ni nakalyang jong action long kibun kit kiseng ki bami syakmat ki ba yakun nakalyang jong sarkar ngim bedek kita kasyong haki banyakran ba sarkar ngi nakalyang jong ngi kwa ba ka Assam ba ngi ke Meghalaya indon hapadeng kajing yasuk ngim kwa kanu kajing kanat nar baro arlyang ki state kumbangi julong baro sya kata ngin ya be kontra ngidon kajing trailang na baro kini na Assam Meghalaya ikwa bakan ya ke maju katu ki banai kran sa sarkar ai kin ya kran ba sarkar kin ya sutu ba sarkar ngi para driver rang ni ngin ya be ke kam jungi banya kamai kaji be banya bahaya met lang na baro arliang state jungi to habay di kata katu ngila don kajing complain jungi las ya mo makan las ya ngila ada complain ya katu ila don ru naga tim jungi kilaya katu operation jungi hapo tengar hi lihat nagalyang jong tim jongi kilaya banyak kendang gitu kali privately mo to kapor te nagalyang jongi ru lada klaim kajing trelang nagalyang jongi para driver kabu jeng ma identify na ki department ban kino kita ki private ki bakamai ne kino ki private ki bawan nakakam na yang ngesem unta te ngiru nagalyang jongi ka action na bro arliang kajela mentangila persang manginyat inya tray rangkan nginya verify iwe pa iwe na pring jongi ki driver ba kino ki kili private ki ba kamai bean syakwati le ne sa silong ya katangi ng sa sim action.
Leaders of the Khasi Students Union KSU Balat border area have lodged a formal complaint with the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills District, accusing the Border Security Force BSF of negligence in securing the India-Bangladesh border. KSU President Bonsen Snaitang criticized the BSF for allowing Bangladeshis to encroach on Indian lands in Balat and Nangar, where they are reportedly involved in illegal stone quarrying and deforestation. Snaitang condemned the BSF for releasing smugglers back across the border, exacerbating resource theft. He has urged district authorities to address these concerns with higher border guard officials to enhance security and prevent further exploitation of Meghalaya's natural resources.
Balat border area kata dia atau East Khasi Hills District pada Thailand ini mendengar. Di naklen ini juga sen hadir pemilu dari jujur berbagai dari kecil kiu hak-hak dari hak malam support. Yo objektif hama hakashitayo kidang nur babanting hadu arsin batlaisin banwan komau banwan tamding na jaga baka pokok jongka jela ni te kebangan ni snow kala kolomba kemudian di karbonga kila tangki usah kini dibenta kamtam dibenta belum markap atas dengar KBSF di dalam tu nadu di lain lalu pani ibu jengkli ke yang itu dibuat berpecah tu kamtam KBSF kemudian di karbonga di lain bantuan habu habu jensun tu kadang beri kalian kalian juni bila pensiun bila hu bila appointment di CDC dan kalian juni itu keluar ini masih tunggu saya mesti saya tunggu saya mesti pada kalian nam taba ni kuat itu belum ba imsanya ya KBSF balada KBSF Indonesia itu balik di karbonga bertemuan satu bertangga ini nomor bekerjaan kita juga di karbonga lima maupun bertemuan tamding lalu tamau Andrei kalau tambah kalau kaji maru ya kejelas tadi itu cumi bagi di orang lain ini. Kamtam mentang fencing gitu. Ya KBSF kan dibeli air kepang ini karbon lab itu karma kamtam mau sudah dicakap kasih cumi. Jadi harus juga deh
On July 30th, leaders of the Hnyotreb Youth Council HYC Ribhoi district were summoned to Khanapara police station following their raid on 22nd of July, Resource Rubber Private Limited, a factory in Mausmai. The raid led by HYC President Hercule Suting, General Secretary Tony Shella, Vice President G. Maulong and other members resulted in a confrontation at the factory owner's office. The police have filed 6 charges against the HYC leaders in connection with the incident. Suting, speaking to the media, confirmed their summons and indicated that the charges are related to their actions during the raid. The case is under investigation as authorities address the matter.
Kajai benriu ka baki baksar kadai ka jai benriu ka baim. Ni nak kalian ki noilam juga hanya trek konsil juga Ribhoi distrik harakat bat berapa noilam na posisi ngila. Wan bansa kot hazir hang ne hapo Khanapara station. Kajing wan jengi hadin balayo kajing hak jing tip na kalian jong OIO jong ka Khanapara police station balwan mi hakan kalai potarik mata kasngi. Kajing wan jengi mata kasngi kadai hadin ka kajing sakot jengi halor ka nongrem kalong ka ba kabalaja hakin kisingi bal adap halor kajing lei jengi ban hendra ya ka trading license hangte hapo Mausmai. Ti nakaliang jong OIO la kli yangi ban ulat tokit yangi halor katai kajing ja. Ti yangi nakaliang jengi kumki nongelam ngila jubab kumbadehi ban jubab bat ba ngi kum kaseng hi ngi klamdon kano kajing musleu hendrai kadon kata ka mesim ka basokya namar ba kumno u mender uyo ban hayi lailan apo ka brih Hnyotreb jengi klamda don yaki trading license. Te kadai halor kata nongrem nakaliang jong kaseng kalalej ban kli ban berteu na tu try jong kata factory. Hendrai pose pat kendit ba kumboyo nongsen kumba pila sakim takasngi ngiyo penban da kata ka jingkot hazir ane ban pa dak taki jingtho sangi ba ngila sya pangat adu drutuli ki section yang gi noilam jong kaseng. Te kadai ki jing pengat ya kani ki section ane ka kadai ka jing tumu ko long ba ngiptip kadon ka ka ba silandet. Te kane kamdai ka ba ngi kan penrit mensim yang ki kumkin noilam ki ban sakri na mata ka jai menreu hendrai kana aim sim jisu bangin sakri na mata kabaha kamiat jong ka jai menreu ban yada ban penek pensa kamtam hakai ka pateng na mata ba kiwei ki jai menreu kimdai ban long try hapo ka jela jongi. Te ngi na kaliang je kaseng ngim kamkut ba hawai ngila sya kot hadir mata kasi kamkut ba kata kamsim it ka jai menreu ban trai hendrai nane sya kamat ngi na ya trai susu.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.